Hey, you two, welcome back, guys. So, my wife just got this as a gift. I'm not sure it's from her friend or coworker, but this is from Eureka Farms from Florida. So, anyway, I'm going to unbox this and see what's inside here. Okay, so I got the blade right here. I'm going to unbox it. Hopefully with one hand. It's gonna be difficult.
Tree or something.
What is this?
Why the box is so weird?
Oh, look like it's a plant.
Yeah.
I see a pot right there.
Well, we know when you open it.
Yeah, open the top. See a bamboo. What?
But look at how they
Bamboo.
package this thing. Isn't it like Mickey Mouse?
Yeah, there's a pot
boxing?
right here. Let's see. Oh my god.
It's Mickey Mouse boxing, man. Oh my god.
Let's see. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What's that? It's a bamboo stick. I'm not sure it's a part of design or to protect it or what. Let's see. ASMR. Oh. Oh, there's your thing right there. Take it out.
Okay, hold on.
Make sure you don't film that. Oh, nice. You did that plant.
Ooh, nice.
Fortune.
Oh, no, it's the palm, right?
Is that a palm? What does it say on there?
Can you read it?
Focus.
Yeah, focus. Yeah, focus.
Ficus lyrata, 2-gallon, gourd pot, fiddle leaf fig, light plant indoor air purifier. This is 40 to 44 inch tall. Wow, look at that. Well, before we used to have one of this, but didn't live too long, so. All right, since my wife's finished, so Joe, let's tear this off. Hold in one hand so I get the paper sound. Slowly, don't tear out the leaf. Wow, look at the soil. Wow, there's a thorn here. Gotta be careful. Where are you gonna put this? And then we have there's a soil in there. I'm gonna put this in a nice pot. This is from her friend from up north, and she purchased from Etsy. So anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop me in the comments down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.